The Magical Map Adventure.
In a small blue house on Maple Lane, the morning sun peeked through the window. Alex, an adventurous kid with a wild imagination, was sprawled on their bedroom floor, hoping for something new.
Oh, I wish something magical would happen today.
Suddenly, a glint from under the bed caught Alex's eye. Alex crawled over to investigate.
Huh? What's that?
Alex pulled out an old rolled-up map tied with a sparkling ribbon.
No way! A real treasure map!
Alex unrolled the map. It was full of swirly paths, doodles, and at the top, fancy letters spelled out, the magical map.
Only the clever and the brave shall find the treasure. That's me. Let's do this.
Alex read the first clue from the map.
The sun rises here and fills the air. Find the window with the softest chair.
Alex jumped up and hurried into the bright living room. Sunlight streamed onto the softest armchair by the big window. Sitting right in the middle of the chair was a golden envelope.
Ooh. What's this?
Alex opened the envelope and read aloud.
Good job, explorer. Now, don't delay. To continue your quest, find where shoes stay. Look for a shoe that's red and bright. A clue is hidden inside just right.
Alex dashed to the shoe rack by the front door, eyes searching for the brightest shoe. There it was, a red sneaker.
Hop to the kitchen. Take 3 jumps. Find the drawer where you keep your forks and lumps. Open it slowly. Be careful and neat. There's a special treat you're about to meet. 1, 2, 3.
Alex hopped into the kitchen, making the family cat, Whiskers, look up in surprise. Alex opened the cutlery drawer carefully.
A key?
There was a tiny key on a string, taped to a new note.
Here's a key, small and old. Find the box with the luck and stories untold. In the place where you dream, on the shelf up. Hi, your next clue waits, give it a try.
Alex rushed back to their room and stood on tiptoes to reach the small wooden box on the bookshelf. The tiny key fit perfectly.
Ooh, what's inside?
Inside, Alex found a glowing marble and another clue, written on purple paper.
Great work, brave one. You're clever and quick. Now find a hat that's funny or slick. Underneath, there's something small and round, a shiny surprise waiting to be found.
Alex ran to the hallway closet and dug through mittens, scarves, and hats. At last, they found the silly sun hat with googly eyes. Under it, another marble and a new note.
Roll the marble where you read at night. Under the lamp's gentle light. When the marble glows, look beneath for the next step in your treasure quest wreath.
Alex hurried to their bedside table and gently rolled the marble under the lamp. The marble glowed with swirling colors, casting rainbows on the wall. Tucked under the lamp was a blue envelope.
You're halfway there. You're doing well. Now go where the bubbles swell. In the place where you splash and scrub. The next clue's hiding near the tub.
In the bathroom, Alex spotted the toy frog sitting by the tub. Underneath was a clue wrapped in plastic.
Almost done, just a few more clues. Head to the garden. Wear your shoes. There's a spot where daisies grow. Look for a rock that's smooth and low.
Shoes on. Alex ran outside to the garden. The daisies waved in the breeze. Alex found a smooth, low rock and turned it over.
A scroll.
Alex unrolled the scroll and read the next clue.
You're so close. You've been so bold. Return inside and do as you're told. Go to the kitchen. Open the fridge. A clue is waiting near the milk and porridge.
Alex ran back into the kitchen and opened the fridge. Next to the milk, they found a small, decorated box and a final note.
One more step. You're almost through. Return to the living room. Here's what you do. Look behind the biggest pillow you can see. That's where your final treasure will be.
Alex rushed to the living room and lifted the fluffiest, biggest pillow on the couch. There, hidden underneath, was a sparkling silver-wrapped box.
I found it.
Alex opened the box and found a brand new adventure storybook, a packet of their favorite cookies, and a handwritten note.
Best day ever!
That night, as the stars twinkled outside, Alex curled up in bed with the new storybook, the magical marble glowing softly on the nightstand. Alex smiled, already dreaming of the next big adventure. For with a little curiosity, a dash of courage, and a magical map, every day can become extraordinary.
Thanks for joining my adventure, friends. Tap the like button and subscribe for more adventures. Sweet dreams.